Hi guys, this is Carrie at Glitzy Glam, and I have a great Dollar Tree DIY for you today. Are you having an Alice in Wonderland wedding or quinceañera? This is not a kids party theme in my opinion, but it can be that as well. But here is what I am going to make this centerpiece out of. First, you'll take one of these trinket trays and it will be turned upside down. You will need 2 of these, and you will need the gold rectangle tray from Dollar Tree, and I'll show you that when I'm ready because that's a surprise. And like I said, 2 of these. Now let me show you what we're going to do. Now you will want to use E6000 for this project. I'm going to use this is what you will use, something permanent. E6000 makes it permanent. The hot glue is just for the film purposes because I don't have room to store another centerpiece. I just want to show you this idea. So you're going to take the E6000 and you're going to put it on the rim of this glass. And of course, you're going to be as neat as you can with this so you don't have a lot of glue showing. All right. And this is how it's going to sit. Now this trinket tray just gives it a little extra sturdiness to sit on the table. You're going to put more E6000 here and you're going to glue this together. I like it because it has this nice hourglass look. And you're going to let it dry with the E6000 glue for 24 hours to make sure that it is nice and sturdy. And then what you're going to do, now, I'm going to spray it with gray. I don't know why I said gray, but I am going to spray it with gold spray paint. You can also use white. You can use any color spray paint that you think will look great with your decor. But I'm going to go and spray some of these elements with gold. You're also going to need some of these from Dollar Tree. Very inexpensive. You're going to need 3 of these. You're going to need 3 teacups. Now I'm using 3 small demi-test size teacups. And that's another thing. For either a long rectangle of styrofoam or you're going to need 3 square things of styrofoam. And actually I forgot, you're going to need these. You're going to need 4 of these, and I'll show you why in the rest of this video. But all of these, 4 of these, and this right here, we're going to paint gold. Okay, now I have this painted gold, and let me show you what I'm going to do next. Isn't that pretty? All right, now after that's all painted and all of these are painted, okay, let me show you pretty much the reveal actually, because I already put in the flowers. All right, but let me take the teacups off so I can show you what I did. All right, there's styrofoam, and then all I did was take these green, and you can do white or cream color, whatever colors you like. The reason I picked these is because I had lots of them, and I picked the white and the red roses because of Alice in Wonderland, paint the roses red, paint the roses red. So we've got white and red roses, and then the green hydrangea just because it's very, very pretty. Now these, okay, let's start one at a time. This goes into the middle styrofoam so that this teacup can go in the middle here. I'm going to turn it around so it's facing you. Okay. Now I didn't glue these flowers in because, like I said, I can always put this together if I have a Alice in Wonderland party, but for now I'm not, so it's going to be this way so I can reuse these flowers. Okay, so that's what the styrofoam is for. So you didn't have to cover the styrofoam here, and here you covered the styrofoam, but you have this holding up so it has, all right, isn't that pretty? Okay, now you will have glued everything down for your centerpiece because you're going to buy your own teacups at the thrift store. You can paint them any color you want to match. Okay. Then you're going to put glue here. And there you go. This is your beautiful centerpiece. Isn't that pretty? All right, now I'm going to show you what it looks like on the table. All right, here is the finishing look of the centerpiece, and I'm sorry I don't have a really good place to videotape, but here is one place setting you might want to have with the for Alice in Wonderland, maybe the red napkins, or you may want a little bit simpler with the glass plates. All right, yes, we're still in my craft room, but here is what the table would look like with the centerpiece, some candles, and your gold charger, some glass plates. Very nice, elegant. All right. Or maybe a red to match the roses on our centerpiece here. Or maybe this is your favorite. Again, going back to the rose for paint the roses red, blue to match her dress, and then the beautiful centerpiece with the teacups. Tell me what you think. Tell me which napkin you like the best and the setup you like the best. Some are casual ideas, some are elegant ideas. Well, thanks for watching.